Hello students, today we are going to understand voice. First of all, what is a voice? Voice is that property of the verb which show whether the subject is performing or experiencing the action. वॉइस एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जो आपको बताता है कि जो सब्जेक्ट है वो उस एक्शन को परफॉर्म कर रहा है कि एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है. Voice are of two types, active voice and passive voice. Let us understand difference between active voice and passive voice. Active voice tells us what a person or thing does. The subject performs the action on the object. That is subject plus verb plus object. एक्टिव वॉइस आपको क्या बताता है कि पर्सन क्या कर रहा है. उनका स्ट्रक्चर होगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एना, इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब पेंटेड and the object is the house. Anna painted the house. The teacher always answers the student's question. Ali posted the video online. These are some example of active voice as it is in the structure subject plus verb plus object. So what is passive voice? Passive voice tells us what is done to someone or something. The subject is being acted upon. Object plus verb plus subject. For example, the house was painted by Anna. The subject is being acted upon the object. The students' questions are answered by the teacher. The videos are posted online by Ali. These are some examples of passive voice. Now there are some rules to change active voice into passive voice. First is the object of the active voice becomes subject of the passive voice. As we have seen, in active voice, first will write subject, whereas in passive voice will write object first. While converting from active to passive voice, third form of verb is used. For example, the teacher always answer the student's question. Here the word answer is converted into third form of verb, that is answered. So you need to change verb into third form. Third rule is the preposition by is used before subject when the sentence is converted from active voice to passive voice. As you can see here, before subject the preposition by is added. Anna painted the house. So object will come at first. The house was painted by Anna. Before subject by is always used. Last, rule number 4, tenses and the type of sentence does not change. We have already understood tenses and types of sentences, that is present tense, past tense and future tense, and assertive, imperative, exclamatory and interrogative. These types of tenses and sentences will remain unchanged. For example, she writes a letter. Here she is a subject, writes is verb 1 or base form of verb and a letter is an object. This is in the form of active voice, subject plus verb plus object. To convert into passive voice, the structure is object plus verb of third form plus subject. So, we'll take object at first, that is a letter. Then why is used? Because it is in the present tense. Write will become written. Three forms of write are write, wrote, written. So the third form is used, that is written. Then you always need to put a preposition by before subject, so by, and instead of she will use her. I hope this is clear. We'll continue in the next lecture.